So the US Open was a great example of an event that used to produce things in a very linear fashion. You had a dedicated purpose-built workstation for replay, or you had a separate user who was on a notepad taking notes, and you had people that would be shuttling around through videotape trying to find things. So you didn't have a lot of productivity in what you did. When EVS brought IP Director in there, it changed the way they worked. They were able to really let more people edit, let more people tell stories with better data and logging, and it was just disruptive in the way that they looked at how tennis would be produced.
Originally, IP Director was really just a remote control to the server, so it allowed you to control some channels of the server. And then as it evolved, we added loads of other things like metadata management, nearline management, possibility to back up and restore files onto the server, and this sort of widely increased the potential of what you could do with the EVS server together with the IP Director suite. We installed a few big broadcast centers, so there was a big project in BBC North when BBC moved to Media City in Manchester. So we were the central platform there for ingest playout, the sports news playout. And then in parallel we developed some tools for the entertainment market as well, with the birth of the IP Edit that allowed us to deploy IP Director on events such as Red Carpet, the Oscars and things like that.
We also started doing the Big Brother, so all the reality show, the deployment of the IP Director was a big benefit for the people and the operator to control the multi-camera recording process. We quickly realized that the market was vast, not only in Europe but also in US and in APAC. Thanks to some good reference that we had in Europe, we started to really dig into that market and to propose not only to the facilities but also to try to influence and to explain why this tapeless workflow is a real benefit for the production company.
Yeah, so in 2008 in Beijing we deployed a massive EVS central server which consisted of over 40 EVS servers and a lot of IP directors. Well, really it was very good to showcase our technology to the right holder broadcasters that were all present during this event. Mainly the impact was on sports centers in the region that started using EVS a lot. So we had two major projects, TVB in Hong Kong and ABS-CBN in the Philippines. So obviously we are a European company, so we wanted to be able to adapt to this region, adapting our products, working with partners, having new interfaces to really be fit with the requirements of the region.